If I ask you to solve this problem, I believe majority will only get one solution. And that is very wrong. Before I solve this problem, I know at the end of this, majority of you will drag me. But if you understand the concept, I know you will not drag me. But for those of you that are just adamant, okay, so please let's learn this together and even listen. Majority of you will get one answer to this, and that is very wrong. So now let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Here I have solve x root of x equals x to the power of 2x. So from here I can have this to be x to the power of 1 over x. That is the x root has turned to 1 over x. That is from the law of indices. Then equals x to the power of 2x. So now this is where majority of students fail this problem. Because of the saying that whenever you have the same basis, the same, you have what? You have to maybe get rid of the basis and equate the what? Equate the powers. So it is very wrong here. If you look at the basis you are getting rid of, it is not just ordinary number, it is a variable, for God's sake. So therefore, cancelling the variable here might lead you to something you don't want. And that's the reason why you need to listen to me now. You cannot get rid of this, but it is always good for you. It is always good for you to what? To not even try to cancel this. So therefore, I'm not going to do that. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it. I will leave it. Okay. Now, I will solve further by introducing logarithm to the both sides. You can introduce logarithm with any base you want, but I'm going to be using natural log, which is ln x to the power of 1 over x equals ln x to the power of 2x. Now, so now from here, the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to take this power here to the back and multiply the logarithm equals, take this 2x, that is from the law of indices, 2x ln of x. Now from here, this ln of x here, we have ln of x here. Don't try to cancel them out. So take this one to this side. We're going to have 1 over x ln of x minus 2x ln of x, then equals 0. So now from here, we have this equation, ln of x, so we can factorize ln of x. So ln of x equals 1 over x minus 2x, all equals 0. So now from here, ln of x could be 0, ln of x is 0, or we have 1 over x minus 2x equals 0. So we have these two equations from here. So now we can have one equation from here, and this is what we are missing. This is what we are missing here, because there's a solution here. So now from there, so we can have here, since we have ln here, the base to the logarithm, to the base to this ln here, because ln is same thing as having log base e. Do you understand now? So which means if you introduce e here, okay, you must introduce e here. This e, we cancel out this lane. Okay, so we're going to have what? We're going to have x to be equals e to the power of 0. Any quantity raised to the power of 0 is going to be what? Is going to be 1. So we have x to be 1. So that is the first solution. And that is what? That is what you would have missed if you cancel out x from here. So please take note of that. Now we move further. We take this second equation. We have 1 over x minus 2x equals 0. So go to have 1 over x equals, you transpose this, we have 2x. Do you understand now? So multiply x to the both sides of the equation. So x, we cancel x here, we have 1 equals 2x times this, we have 2x squared. So now from here, let me write this equation as 2x squared, okay, equals 1. So dividing both sides by 2, this we cancel this. You can see we have x squared equals 1 over 2. So now taking the square root of both sides, okay, don't forget the plus or minus. You know that this square, we cancel the square root, we're going to have x to be equals. Then we have square root of 1 over 2 or square root of minus 1 over 2. Minus is here. So now we would have even gotten one, two, three solutions. But this third solution will be rejected because this is negative here. If you put the negative back here, so therefore we're going to have complex solution or complex plane. So therefore we need to reject this. So we have just two possible solutions. X equals was square root of 1 over 2 and x equals 1, and that's the solution. So thank you so much for watching. For those of you that take your time to listen to what I've said, so thank you so much for watching, for your support all the time. Share this so other people can learn from it. Bye bye.